Alright, today we're going to paint this oceanscape. Alright, let's get to the colors. Titanium white, carbon black, burnt umber, Van Dyke brown, cad yellow, primary yellow, pearly red light, quin magenta, ultramarine blue, phthalo blue, phthalo green. Alright, today we're gonna paint a seacoast. Just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So I got this really nice sky. I started really dark, and that's how it is in the photo, but I really didn't like it. It just didn't look nice. It's probably realistic, but I thought it's nicer with the red sky, which is very similar to Southwest skies in Arizona, for example, or Tucson. I had the cliffs, I kind of simplified a little bit. They should go a little higher into the horizon, but I just left them lower so you can kind of get a real feel for the sky. Probably that's because I was in Florida a long time, so I'm used to a flat sky. So I should adjust that actually. Had the cliff rocks, I kind of sketched them in and then painted over them and then added them back in and sketched over them. And it's only a really way I think to put the ocean, the waves in nicely. I probably could have finished the waves completely and then come back in. Struggled a little bit I think on the colors, but I think overall turned out pretty nicely. Had this nice clip edge. I had a little bit of accents, so you got a little bit of sense of daylight hitting there. Sand is okay, not my favorite thing, but sand is one of those really weird colors. Hope you guys like my painting, and if you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. Give me a like for a thumbs up, and see you on the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.